Choosing the right trading app is crucial if you're starting out, or even if you're already experienced and looking for better tools. In recent years, several trading apps have gained popularity for their simple interfaces, fast execution, and reliable payout systems. Among them, Pocket Option, Quotex, and Olymp Trade are widely used by traders around the world. Pocket Option is known for its clean design, wide range of assets, and features like social trading, where you can copy the trades of successful traders in real time. Then there's Quotex, a relatively new but fast-growing platform that focuses on digital options trading. It offers a variety of technical indicators, chart types, and a smooth user interface. Olymp Trade, on the other hand, has been around for a while and is known for offering both fixed-time trading and forex trading. It's regulated by the International Financial Commission, FINACOM, which gives it a level of credibility that many traders look for. In addition to these, there are also platforms like Binomo, Expert Option, and Derive that continue to attract large audiences due to their specific features, trading assets, and payout structures. Before choosing any app, it's important to try out the demo version if available, check their withdrawal policies, and see if the customer support is responsive. Also, verify their regulatory status if you're planning to trade large amounts.